This is Elliott's train. It's gonna go bam. What he wants to see all along. Here it goes. Bam, 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 train. There's our train. Here he goes. Nobody knows. There he goes. Look, it's gonna go bam. Honk for ya. There he goes. Look at that. Kaboom! No, they're leaving that one there. Then they're going to take this one and go that way. I think. Pretty cool, huh? We got to see it go bam.
Hi!
They're busy. Oh, he's got to lock the thing. See, he's locking it. Uh-oh. I don't know which way they're going now. Well, they've got to go backwards. Because they just came from that way. Alright, there goes your train. Okay. They just went bam. There they go. There goes Elliott's train. Alright, here we go. Check out him honking for you, Mr. Rignell. What a day, Elliott. What a good day, huh? Yay. Gotta see it go bam.
Done!
There he goes. It's all done. Here goes the crossing arms. Up, up, up. There we go. Yay, all done.